Hi everybody, welcome. This is just going to be a nice little review on algebra tiles. So you guys are ready for the test tomorrow. That's right, you guys are going to be having a final test on the unit algebra tiles tomorrow. So be ready for that, but you're going to get a little more information about that during class. Now, we're just gonna do a little review. So let's get started. We are going to try to find the perimeter of, well, first of all, let's just review all of our tiles. We have the X tiles, that we have X tile, X squared tile. Then we have the Y tile, so Y tile and the Y squared tile. And then we have the unit tile and the XY tile. So now we're going to be finding the perimeter of these tiles. Okay, so as you can see, we have one of our algebra tile groups. So now we are going to try figuring out the perimeter of this. Oops. Okay, so we have to start finding the length of each and every side of this algebra tile group. Okay, let's get started. So, first we have no y's, right? So we're gonna find the x first, kind of the x sides first. So we have an x here, we have an x here, an x here, an x here, and here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x. We have 6x. So now we have to find the ones. So as you can see, we only have ones right here. So 1, 1, 1, 1. So we have 6x plus, how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 6x plus 4. So our answer again is going to be, oops, that's kind of wonky handwriting. Okay, our answer is going to be 6, I don't know what happened there. 6x plus 4. Okay. Okay, let's do another one. So it looks like we don't have any y's this time, so we are going to do the x's. Let's find all the x signs. So we have an x here. Oops. So we have an x here, x right here, an x here, here, and one more x over here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6x, just like last time. Let's find our ones next, because again, we don't really have anything else, so we're gonna find the ones. So let's start here. We have 1 here, 1 here, 1 right over here, here, and here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 ones. So we have, our answer would be 6x plus 6. Okay, let's do one with area. So we're gonna do a couple with area now. So as you can see, it already tells us what kind of stuff is. So as you can see here, we have x, 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 and x. We have 4x. So let's write that down. 4x. And now, as you can see, we have, let's find what other tiles we have. Now, remember, perimeter is on the outside, right? Perimeter is like this. But you also need to remember area is actually what's inside of it, see? So like perimeter is like a fence, and the area is like what's inside of the fence. So all of this stuff, so all the x's that we found, what we're about to find is going to be part of the area. So again, algebra tiles, right now we are trying to find the kind of the area. So we're trying to find all the different tiles that make up an area. So we have to make an equation out of this. Now, I also wanted to say I didn't get mistaken on the test tomorrow. We are actually not going to have a test tomorrow. We still actually have to learn about simplifying algebraic expressions with algebra tiles. So yes, but let's get going on this. Anyway, so we know that we have 4 x's. Now we have to find, well, let's see what else we have. Look over here. We have a bunch of 1s. So we have a 1 here, a 1 here, a 1 here, and a 1 here. So we have 4 1s. So we had 4. So we would just do plus 4. And our answer to the area of this would be 4x plus 4. Okay, now it looks like we have figure A and figure B here. Oops, oh, I don't know why it moved. Anyway, so we have figure A and figure B here. We're going to find the area of figure A and then figure B. So figure A, as you can see, we have x squared here. So x squared. So we only have 1x squared, right? So you can write it like 1x squared, but it would definitely be better if you wrote it just x squared like it's written right here. So we're just going to write x squared. Now we have to do x's. So let's find all the x's. We have an x here and x here. So we have 2 x's, which gives us 2x. So we're going to do x squared plus 2x. And it looks like we have 1 unit tile right here. 1 unit tile. So we are going to just add 1 because there's only 1 unit tile. Okay, great. Now, I want you guys to go ahead and figure out figure B all by yourself. So pause the video and unpause it when you are done. Sorry, guys. I know my mic cut out a little bit there. Wasn't too loud. Anyway, guys, so do figure B. Pause the video and unpause it when you are done to see the answer. Okay, so now we are going to see the answer. We have to find, remember, again, this is not perimeter, it's not the fence, it's what's inside of the fence. So as you can see, we have an x squared here. So that's 1x squared, right? Because there's no other x squared. So I'm just going to write the answer up here because there's not too much to keep space. So we have x squared. And again, you can write it with 1x squared, but it's just a little simpler for just x squared. Okay, now let's find the x's. We have 2 x's right here, right here. So we have 2 x tiles. So that's going to give us 2x. So we're going to add 2x. So x squared plus 2x. And now, as you can see, there is 1 unit tile over here. So that is just going to, that is just going to be 1. So as you can see, that actually turned out to be the same exact answer as figure A. So figure A's answer is x squared plus 2x plus 1. Figure B is also x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, guys, I hope you guys are nice and prepared for any upcoming tests with perimeter and area of an algebra tile.